Say it with your chest. Be real.
Hit. Lasso. Wrangle that cowboy. Take it down low. Other arm. Take it down low. Crawl. Practice down, up, down, down together to your chest. Lean, sit, up, now. You're lassoing your cowboy. You've already got one. But why not get another one? 3 is way more fun. What, Allison? Take it down, you sexy beast. Let's go. Here. Last chance to practice. Out, out, up to your chest. Get ready.